Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Home Assistant integration for Philips Hue lights, full guide step by step clearly. To enable Home Assistant integration for Philips Hue lights, start by ensuring you have your Philips Hue bridge set up and connected to your Wi-Fi network. Access your Home Assistant dashboard from your web browser. In the dashboard, click on the Settings tab located in the left sidebar. From the Settings menu, select Integrations. Click on the Add Integration button in the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type Philips Hue to quickly locate the integration. Select Philips Hue from the search results. Home Assistant will now attempt to discover your Hue bridge. Once discovered, you will see a prompt to enter the IP address of your Hue bridge. If your Hue bridge is not automatically detected, enter the IP address manually, which can usually be found in your router's device list. After entering the IP address, click Submit. You may be asked to press the physical button on your Hue bridge to allow the connection. Press the button on the Hue bridge to authorize Home Assistant. Home Assistant will now connect to your Philips Hue bridge. Once the connection is successful, you will see a message indicating that the integration was added. Your Philips Hue lights should now appear in the devices list in Home Assistant. You can control your Philips Hue lights directly from the Home Assistant dashboard. If you encounter any issues, check your network connection and ensure your Home Assistant is up to date. With the integration complete, explore automations and scenes to optimize your lighting experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.